Where do you live?
I live in Pasadena.
Where is Pasadena?
It's in California.
Is it in Northern California?
No. It's in Southern California.
Is Pasadena a big city?
It's pretty big.
How big is pretty big?
It has about 140,000 people.
How big is Los Angeles?
It has about 3 million people.
Conversation 2. Do you have a car?
Yes, I do.
What kind of car do you have?
I have a Honda.
Is it new?
It was new in 2003.
So, it's pretty old now.
Yes, it is. But it still looks good.
Do you take good care of it?
Oh, yes. I wash it once a week.
Do you change the oil?
My mechanic changes the oil twice a year.
Conversation 3.
Do you have a girlfriend?
No, I don't. Do you?
I don't have a girlfriend, either.
Why not?
I don't know. Maybe I'm not rich enough.
Girls like guys with money.
They sure do.
They like guys with new cars.
I don't have money or a new car.
Me, neither.
But girls like guys who are funny.
Maybe we should learn some good jokes.
Conversation 4. Where are you going?
I have to walk the dog.
What kind of dog do you have?
I have a little poodle.
Poodles bark a lot.
They sure do.
They bark at everything.
They never shut up.
Why did you get a poodle?
It's my mom's dog.
So she likes poodles.
She says they're good watchdogs.